10 best low-maintenance plants that grow without sunlight. Have you ever wanted beautiful indoor plants, but felt like your home just doesn't get enough sunlight? Maybe you live in an apartment with very few windows, a basement room, a small office, or maybe you simply want greenery in darker corners of your home. Well, here's the good news. Not all plants need direct sunlight to survive. In fact, some plants actually prefer low-light conditions and can grow beautifully using only indirect light or even artificial indoor lighting. Today, I'm going to show you 10 amazing indoor plants that can survive and even thrive without being near windows. And the best part? Most of these plants are low-maintenance, beginner-friendly, and perfect for making your home feel calmer, fresher, and more alive. Also, if you'd like to get any of these plants delivered directly to your home, you can click the link in the description below. Let's get started. Snake plant. First up is the legendary snake plant. This is one of the toughest indoor plants you can buy. Seriously, it's almost impossible to kill. The snake plant can survive in very dark rooms, needs very little water, and still looks modern and elegant all year long. Its tall architectural leaves make it perfect for bedrooms, hallways, offices, or apartment corners that don't receive much natural light. Another reason people love this plant is because it's extremely low maintenance. If you forget to water it for a while, it usually won't complain. For beginners, this is honestly one of the safest choices you can make. ZZ plant. Next is the beautiful ZZ plant. The ZZ plant is famous for surviving in places where many other plants would struggle. Its dark green glossy leaves almost look artificial because they stay shiny and healthy even in dim environments. This plant is excellent for offices, bathrooms, apartments, or rooms with very little sunlight. One of the best things about the ZZ plant is that it stores water in its roots, meaning you don't need to water it very often. In fact, overwatering is usually the biggest mistake people make with this plant. If you want something stylish, modern, and extremely easy to care for, the ZZ plant is a fantastic option. Pothos. Now let's talk about pothos. Pothos is one of the easiest and fastest growing indoor plants you can own. Its long trailing vines make it look beautiful on shelves, desks, cabinets, or hanging baskets. Even in low-light rooms, this plant continues growing surprisingly well. Another reason people love pothos is because it instantly makes a room feel more cozy and alive. And if you're new to plants, this is a great beginner plant because it's forgiving and adapts easily to different indoor environments. You can even propagate it easily in water and grow new plants from cuttings. Peace lily. If you want a plant that flowers indoors without much sunlight, the peace lily is an amazing choice. This plant is known for its elegant white flowers and deep green leaves. It adds a calm, relaxing feeling to almost any indoor space. Peace lilies do very well in low-light conditions and are commonly used in bedrooms, offices, bathrooms, and living rooms. One interesting thing about this plant is that it actually tells you when it needs water. Its leaves start drooping slightly, and after watering, it quickly comes back to life. That makes it very beginner-friendly. And visually, it's one of the most elegant indoor plants on this list. Cast iron plant. The cast iron plant truly lives up to its name. This plant is incredibly durable and can tolerate dark conditions, inconsistent watering, and indoor temperature changes better than many other houseplants. It grows slowly, but that's actually part of its charm. It's perfect for people who want a strong, reliable indoor plant that doesn't require constant attention. The dark green leaves give it a timeless, classic appearance that works beautifully in cozy interiors. If you want a plant you can almost forget about while still enjoying greenery inside your home, this is a great option. Chinese Evergreen. Chinese evergreens are some of the most beautiful low-light plants available. They come in different shades of green, silver, pink, and even red patterns, depending on the variety. These plants are known for adapting very well to indoor spaces with limited light. They bring a tropical feel into your home while still being relatively easy to maintain. Chinese evergreens are excellent for apartments because they stay compact while still looking lush and decorative. If you want something colorful without needing direct sunlight, this plant is definitely worth considering. Philodendron. Philodendrons are classic indoor plants for a reason. They're beautiful, adaptable, and incredibly easy to grow indoors. Their large, heart-shaped leaves instantly create a relaxing natural atmosphere. Philodendrons do well in low-light environments and don't require much attention to stay healthy. Some varieties grow upward, while others trail down beautifully from shelves and hanging planters. This is the kind of plant that can completely change the mood of a room and make it feel warmer and more welcoming. Lucky bamboo. Lucky bamboo is perfect for minimalist interiors and modern spaces. Many people place it on desks, bathroom counters, coffee tables, or office spaces because it grows well under artificial indoor lighting. One unique thing about lucky bamboo is that it can grow directly in water instead of soil. Its clean and elegant appearance makes it very popular in modern home decor. It definitely adds a calm and relaxing vibe to indoor spaces. Spider plant. Spider plants are fun, lively, and extremely beginner-friendly. These plants adapt well to low-light indoor conditions and are known for producing little baby plants over time. Those small hanging offshoots give the plant a unique and playful appearance. Spider plants look amazing in hanging baskets or elevated planters, where the leaves can cascade naturally. They're also fast growers compared to many indoor plants, which makes them satisfying to care for. And overall, they're one of the easiest indoor plants to maintain. Ferns. Last but definitely not least, ferns. Certain ferns, especially Boston ferns, can do surprisingly well indoors without direct sunlight. They love soft indoor lighting and slightly humid environments. That's why many people place them in bathrooms, bedrooms, or cozy indoor corners. Ferns add a lush, jungle-like feeling to a space and create a softer, natural texture compared to other houseplants. They may need slightly more humidity than some plants on this list, but visually, they are absolutely worth it. A healthy fern can completely transform the atmosphere of a room. And there you have it, 10 beautiful indoor plants that don't need windows to make your home feel alive. Whether you live in a small apartment, work in an office, or simply want greenery in darker spaces, these plants can help you create a more relaxing and beautiful environment indoors. And remember, if you'd like to get any of these plants delivered directly to your home, check the link in the description below. So, which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more indoor plant ideas, home inspiration, and easy gardening tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.